Good morning, everyone. I am Lalita, Assistant Professor of Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Department of Computer Application. In this topic, we are discussing about containerization fundamentals, Dockers, and container types. In this topic, we are discussing about containerization fundamentals, Docker, and container runtimes. Let's go to the video. Containerization. Containerization is the operating system level virtualizations that allows the application to run isolate user space called container. It is like a one package of the system. The package should be maybe a database or operating system, a software, and hardware resources, and network. These are the packages of the application. These applications are isolated for the user space. It's called the container. This container is the bundle of applications with its specific dependencies of libraries and configurations file, etc. It's ensuring it runs constantly across the different environment. This contains bundle of applications with a specific dependency. It may be a library or configurations file. It is like a packages. We can make a bundle of these packages and send to the cloud over the network. Docker. Docker is the main platform for containerization. While often used interchangeability with the container, Docker is actually a comprehensive platform for building and sharing and running containerization of containerized applications. Docker is main platform to build and share and run the container applications, which they are include the softwares, applications, network, database, and hardware resources. Containerization, Docker image. A read-only templates containing the application's code and everything need to run it. Docker container. A live runnable instance of an image is like a Docker container. Docker engine. The core client-server applications that manages and images containers, networks, and values. These are the Docker engine. The core container applications are the Docker engine. Container runtimes. What is container runtimes? Container runtime is the specialized software responsible for the actual executions. It is the specialized software for the containerizations and lifestyle management of container, the host system. Runtime are typically categorized into two levels. A container is the one of the softwares for creating a Docker platform for using for make a container applications and it's actually execute and lifestyle management of container host systems run automatically categorized into two levels. How it's work? Containerizations relies of two primary features of the Linux kernel to achieve the isolation without overhead of the full virtual machines. It is the namespace. It's provide a isolations of each container's own and view the system resources like process IDs, network stocks, and mount pointer. Uh, and control groups provide a resource management by limiting the how much of CPU, memory, and disk input output container can be used in the containerizations. The primary features of Linux kernel. The two main features are namespace and control groups. These are the process of containerization, how it's work. Evaluation of architecture. Originally, Docker was the monolithic tool. To foster industry standards, its components were broke down and donate the open source foundation like a open container initiative. Mainly it's used to create a container by using the Docker. It is the monolithic tool. Monolithic tool is used to for isolate the some segment of the files and transfer the process. It is the foundations of Open Container Initiative (OCI). It's mainly used for network or visualization. Docker CLI stands to commands to the Docker daemon. The daemon processes the request to the containerizations. Container use the RAM to talk Linux kernel and span container. Thank you.